You guys want green screens that look like this?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Because if you do, I got you. And for under 20 bucks. Let's go. Welcome to the Kage Cafe. I am Kage Kame, your content guru. The goal of the video today is make a green screen for under 20 bucks. I think we can do it. So let's head on over to Amazon. All right, here's Amazon. Let's see what we got. Green screens. So it looks like the first one's not too bad. That's a pretty good deal right there, especially with the clamps. Let's do that one. That's way too much over my budget. So it seems like Amazon's gonna be a no-go for us, guys. So maybe we should check out Walmart. And look, guys, we're just gonna go real simple with it. Let's try light green sheet. Ooh, that's just pretty. America only. America, fuck yeah. Free shipping. You gotta verify my identity, apparently. They must think I'm a robot. $19.07, so much for free delivery. Okay, let's do it anyway. Let's just pull the trigger, right? So with the shipping being a lie, we're at a total of $19.07.
1 week later.
All right, guys, so let's check out what we got. So looks like here's our green screen. Nice screen sheet, and it came with little thumbtacks. These were 75 cents extra, by the way, so that put our price up to that. So let's get started setting it up. Okay, so here we are in OBS. So pretty much all you got to do is add a chroma key to your green screen behind you. Go ahead and find your webcam, hit filters, and then what you want to do is you want to apply chroma key right here at the bottom. It'll be a little plus icon, and then once you apply those, you can adjust them how you want them to be. So similarity is how similar the color that you picked is to the actual green screen. Smooths the edges of your image, so that way it kind of looks a little better, and then you have something that looks like this. Of course, you're not going to have the 10 million windows behind you because I'm just recording my own display capture. Another real quick thing to note is when you go to your filters in your camera and you pull this up, you can actually adjust the color by selecting color, and then you can pick the color on the screen that you want by clicking pick screen. And then any color on the screen that you pick, it will pick the color according to that. This is actually a post-production little update, but I just wanted to let you guys know a couple of real quick things. Let's pop over to OBS. Another couple of real quick things that you want to do is, like I was saying earlier, you want to add 2 chroma keys. And just to actually show the process of adding the keys real quick. So like, let's just say I wanted to see how this one selected green and this one selected custom. So the reason that I did that was because that way you have 2 different keys keying out 2 different colors at the same time. I just wanted to kind of iterate that a little bit more, so that way when you guys go to set it up, it wasn't as confusing, because I was rewatching the video before I posted it and I was like, you know what, I need a post update real quick. A couple of little things to keep in mind too when you're setting up your green screen: make sure that you have it as well lit as possible. And another thing is, make sure that you just mess with it. It takes a little while to get the green screen looking how you want it to. The smoother your screen, the smoother it's going to turn out in OBS as well. So you can kind of tell from mine, it looked okay, but if the wrinkles were out of it, it would be a lot better. So there you go. There's a green screen for under 20 bucks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Feel free, and I will definitely answer them as fast as possible. Once again, it's been Kage Kame, your content guru, and I hope that this green screen is going to make your streams look dope.